A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter 8 of English 1, which is pronouns. The first thing that we have to know is what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. For example, Ram goes to school. Ram is a good boy. Ram rides a bicycle. You can see the answer. Ram goes to school. He is a good boy. He rides a bicycle. So instead of writing Ram many a times, I have used he. So the word he is replacing Ram. So it is a pronoun. Now, in singular form, the pronouns that we use are I, he, she, it. For example, I am doing this. He is doing it. She is a good girl. It is a doll. Here, I, he, she, it, these are all pronouns. In the second case, you can see the plural ones, we and they. For example, we are going to the party. They are my friends. Here, we and they are pronouns. There are 9 kinds of pronouns. These are personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, possessive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, emphasizing pronouns, relative pronouns, distributive pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. In our chapter, we have to know what personal nouns are. I, we, he, she, it, they, me, him, her, us, and them are all personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the stunt doubles of grammar. They stand in for the people and perhaps animals who star in our sentences. For example, I am going to the party. He is writing a letter. Please give them a chance. So here, I, he, and them are all personal pronouns. Now we have to know about possessive and demonstrative pronouns. A pronoun indicating possession is called a possessive pronoun. For example, this house is mine. This is your shirt. The words mine, your, our, etc. show possession. These are all possessive pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the object or objects to which it refers. For example, this book is mine. That is my purse. These are my friends. Those are brave soldiers. Here, this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. Next is interrogative and reflexive pronouns. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. For example, who are you? What is your name? Which one is your desk? Here, who, what, which, these are interrogative pronouns. Pronouns like yourself, myself, herself, etc., when used as the receivers of an action, are called reflexive pronouns. For example, we know ourselves. She had done it herself. Rahul had hurt himself. Next is emphasizing and relative pronouns. A pronoun used to lay emphasis is called an emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. For example, you yourself are responsible for this. We ourselves are arranging it. There is similarity between emphasizing pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Only the difference is emphatic pronoun comes before verb and reflexive pronoun comes after verb. Just mind it. Relative pronoun is one that is used to join sentences or clauses or refers back to nouns going before them. For example, whom, which, whose, that, etc. The last ones are distributive and indefinite pronouns. Each, either and neither are called distributive pronouns because they refer to persons or things one at a time. For example, each of the students got the prize. You can park on either side of the street. Indefinite pronouns refer to persons or things when number or quantity is not definite. One, once, none, all, some, somebody, nobody, any, anybody, everybody, etc. These are all indefinite pronouns. Thank you.